This is a 15-minute walking at home indoor walking workout. So we've got walking exercises for weight loss. This, remember, is always about better health. It's a really fun workout. We're going to get straight into it because move one is a little bit of a warm-up. So if you're ready to start walking at home and taking control of your health, let's get started. So for move one, all I want you to do is we're just going to do a side step. So just follow along. We're going to do this for approximately 40 seconds. And if you want to, just add in those arms. Just draw those arms in front, then pull them back. So how it's going to work today, we do 40 seconds of a walking weight loss exercise. Then we're going to do 20 seconds of doing a fast-paced walk. So really nice, simple, easy to follow walking workout at home. So let's just keep going, draw those arms in. And this is a lovely first move to really help warm up and mobilize your body as well. And you can see top right, you've got your 15-minute countdown clock. All right, so now all I want you to do is just do a really fast walk for me now on the spot or walk around the room. We're just doing this for a duration of 20 seconds. So this is your fast-paced fat-burning walk. Just keep going, really use the arms. Make sure you land nice and softly with your feet. So now we're going to go back to a 40-second move. This time, just follow along. Just give me this little leg kick. So we're still marching on the spot, but just doing that kick. So it's a march with a kick on there. And if you can, just add in those arms. And again, this one here, a duration of 40 seconds. Keep that upper body tool, focus on drawing in those core tummy muscles. So it's a lovely full body move here, but we're still doing that walking, keeping that going, just adding in a bit of a kick and the arms. All right, so now let's bring it back to that fast pace. So 20 seconds, just walk that really fast. So we're just increasing that intensity, increasing that walking speed. If you can, walk around the room, or if not, just walk on the spot. Let's just keep that going fast as you can, just 20 seconds. So next move, this time now, what I want you to do is just walk to the corner and give me a kick. Walk to a corner and give me a kick. So we're just doing that little walk and then a kick. And the great thing is doing these workouts at home, it doesn't matter if we're not in this doing it in the same time. If you do it slightly wrong, it's just about moving your body. So just go from side to side and you're kicking the outside leg. Just give me that kick. 40 seconds. So you've got your timer bar there on the left, just giving you an idea of how long you've got to go on each exercise. And give me that kick. And well done. All right, so bring it straight back now to your fast walk. Now again, if you want to, you could always take this, perhaps you want to do 20 seconds doing a light little jog. You know, tailor these workouts to suit you. That's it, but let's keep going. We're going as fast as we can on those 20 seconds. So next move, this time now, what I want you to do is just tap your foot across and in front. When you've got used to doing the foot movement, now just add in those arms. So this one here, oh, and there's a princess, that was Princess Raisin. This is actually really amazing for your waist and your core as well. So you're just tapping that foot across, just add in those big semicircle arms. Keeping that going, that's good. Tapping that foot across. Also nice here, it activates a little bit more into your inner thigh on that foot that you're tapping across and over. And we're taking that heart rate up because you've lifted the arms above heart level. So now bring it straight back to your fast pace fat burn walk. And as said, if you want to, remember, you can always take that to a light jog. Keeping that going. So we're just constantly moving. That's where this is a super effective 15-minute walking at home workout. So next move, this time now, we're going to walk to the corner as we did before, but just give me a little bend. So walk to the corner, add that little bend. So tiny little bend, make the most of the space you've got. If your room is bigger, then walk a little bit further to the corner and then just give me that little bend. Just bend through the arms as well. So working a little bit more to the lower body. Keeping that going all the way again till we've done those 40 seconds. And there we are, got Princess Raisin back, just checking we're doing it with good form. And yes, she approves. So now let's take that back to that super fast walk, walking as fast as you can. There we go. And if you want to, remember you can take that to that light jog. Let's just keep going. Keeping those feet moving. And well done. So next walk, this time now, we're going to do a little side step, but we're just going to add in these rolling arms. And this is about making exercise fun. We don't always have to do burpees and high jumping moves. These moves are just as effective. And the great thing is, if you do exercise you like, then you're more likely to make them part of your lifestyle. And consistency is where we get the best results when we're looking after our health. So just keep going. So it's simply that little side tap and just doing those rolling arms. That's good. Keeping the upper body nice and tall for me as well. And just release those arms. So now let's just take that back to that 20 seconds. So it's that little interval of that really faster walk. Keep those feet moving, land softly. That's good. And remember, you can walk fast from one end of the room to the other, as Princess Raisin is demonstrating for us. Or she's obviously found a cat biscuit and stopped. Right, next move. This time now, we're going to do a side step from side to side. So we're doing 2 of these traveling side steps, and just bend a little bit deeper for me. So it's a bit like a traveling little squat, but it's kind to your knees, a really safe move this. And this is really good because we're going to really help build up lower body strength and endurance. So it's just 2 of these traveling side steps. Side to side. All right, that's good. Bring it straight back now to that fast walk. Going as fast as you can. And remember, you can always take that up. Sometimes if you want to, you can take that to a light little jog, keeping that going. Really use the arms as well. So next move, this time now, we're going to come forwards to a knee lift and step back. So travel it forwards, just give me a knee drive. Take that knee up, so powerful move, and you really lift that knee nice and high. And the great thing is, as you take that knee up, you're having to work your body a little bit for balance because you're then standing on one leg. So this is really good to increase your core stability and strength. Driving that knee up, it's another full body walking exercise. So let's keep going. That's good. Drive that knee up nice and strong. And then just release. All right, so you know the score now. Let's bring it back as fast as you can. Fast, fast, fast walk. So we're walking really fast on the spot, or walking around the room, taking it to a light jog, a run, high knees on the spot, whatever you want to do, just 20 seconds. This is really about increasing that speed there. All right, so your next move, this time now, we're just going to step the foot back and just swing the arm in front. So we're just doing this long-armed kind of marching walk. Really lovely move. Again, 40 seconds. And the good news is we are well over halfway. This workout's going to fly by. And remember, when you want to come back and do it a second time, you might not want to hear me coaching you, then just put on your favourite music. So let's just keep going. Long arm swing, tap that foot behind. This is great for the glutes. Let's keep going. It's a really lovely walking weight loss exercise, this one. And nearly done on that move. All right, well done. So bring it back and just take that straight back now. Fast feet, keeping that going. That's good. Keep going as fast as you can. Keep moving and keep thinking about why you're doing this right now today. This is about taking control of your health, looking after how you feel. All right, so next walk, this time we're going to walk to the corner as we've done before, but now add a little bend and let's just go for a clap as well. Take that to a clap. So this one here, lovely full body move. Benefit here, you're working your glutes, you're working your thighs, you're working your core, you're working your shoulders and your abs. And as your qualified trainer, I've got over 30 years experience and I'm here to help you on your health journey. So do subscribe. it's completely free. Not only do I do my free workouts, I do free challenges, free recipes, motivation, and become part of Lucy Squad, our free community. And well done. And bring that back to that fast march for me now, as fast as you can. And always, if you've got any questions about your health journey, let me know in the comments down below. I'll try and answer as many as I can, or I can point you in the right direction of a blog or a recipe, anything that you want. This is all about us looking after our health. All right, so next move, this time now, we're just going to do a little heel tap in front and just give me those bicep curl arms. Tapping that foot in front, that's good. And let's just travel it round. Instead of standing just on the spot, you can do just a little bit of a rotation, just face one end of the room, and then as you're performing those heel digs, just turn to face the other end of the room. That's good, just constantly moving. And nearly done on that one. And just release. All right, so let's bring that back nice and fast. Fast feet, keeping that going. And do let me know afterwards in the comments below if you like this walking workout. And also, if you want to do one of my sightseeing ones, I've got Venice, Paris, Vienna, Bruges, London. If you want to do one of those, let me know in the comments and I'll send you a link. Right. This one, lovely one, just squeeze that leg behind, take me those power sprinting arms. This move you are going to love, you are going to feel this in your glutes like never before. So just keep going, so you really squeeze that, you're lifting it from the glutes there. Take that arm up, there's a little bend in the legs as you transfer the weight from one side to the other. That's good, and keep those core tummy muscles engaged at the same time. Powerful move here, you'll feel all the muscles working. And well done. All right, that's good. So bring it straight back and take it back to that really super fast march. So yeah, if you want to do a lovely walk, it's a great way of walking at home, but you come sightseeing. So we go and see all the beautiful sights in Venice, Paris, and you're getting your steps up at home. If you haven't already tried them, definitely give them a go. All right, well done. So let's go now to this move. We're going to walk to the corner and then we're going to do these little toe taps for 4. Walk to the corner and just go 4 toe taps. Back to the corner and just 4 toe taps. Nice and simple, but super effective. And again, think of how many different joints you're working here right now. So you're working your ankle joint, your knee joint, your hip joint, your elbow joint, shoulder joint. That's where it makes it a total body move. We're working multiple muscle groups. And just going from side to side, 4 of those little taps. And well done. All right, so we're nearly finished day. Last little bit. Let's really up that pace. Make it as fast as you can. Just doing that fat burning indoor walk, fast feet, or remember you can take that to that light little jog, keeping that going nice and fast. So for this move, this time now, we're going to do a side step, but just give me a single arm punch. So you're just going side to side, just give me that power punch. Keep the arm at chest height, punch in front, one arm to the other. That's good. And keeping that nice and strong, that's good, excellent. Putting power through each punch. Step that foot across and behind. And well done on that one. Okay, so just march out. So again, let's take those feet up as fast as you can. Keep going. Nearly done. So we're so close to finishing this 15-minute walking at home workout. So let's just go 100% effort now. Take that up. You will be glowing. Remember, sweat is also really good for our skin as well. It helps to detoxify our skin. So next move, this one, we're going to walk to the corner and just do 2 kicks. Walk to the corner, give me 2 kicks. 2 kicks, that's good. Nice, simple, effective exercises. Again, these kicks are really good to work through the core, work through your abs. They also really help with your mobility and flexibility. Kicking that up. And that's good. And if you're still here on this workout video, give yourselves a big high five, even though we haven't quite finished, that you've done this amount of training today, because this is going to make you feel good all day. It's all about investing in your future health. All right, well done. Last 2 kicks. So now let's finish it off and fast feet. Let's go as fast as we can. Last little bit. And we're just going to do a few extra seconds, so we just really complete those full 20 seconds. Let's just keep going, feet going as fast as you can. Last little bit, so we've done those 20 seconds, and just shake out those arms. Let's slowly get that heart rate back down. And do let me know in the comments below what more different workouts you would like, and that is your 15-minute walking at home workout complete. So well done, there is your high five. Now, if you want to do a little bit of toning, perhaps you really want to work your arms, I've got an amazing 5-minute arm workout. You can click here, and there's actually then a long playlist. You can pick other areas you want to work. Equally, if you are finished for today, click here or in the description down below to do my full cool down stretch. And well done. And remember, what you and I have done today is invest in your future health. And I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.